After installing a Windows 10 system OS on VirtualBox, the interface of the Windows 10 is displayed in a windowed mode by default. Moreover, the size of that window is usually not big, and if you maximize the window's size, the resolution of the Windows 10 user interface is left the same. In the majority of cases, working in a Windows 10 with low resolution is not comfortable. Don't worry, however, as it is possible for you to increase the screen resolution of the Windows 10 user interface as well as run a Windows 10 in the full screen mode. Today's video we will teach you how to make VirtualBox full screen for Windows 10 OS. If you go to Windows 10 Display Settings, right-click the desktop and select Display Settings in the context menu, you can increase the Windows 10 resolution. But you still have no ability to switch the full screen mode on. For example, in our case the resolution of the monitor is 1920 x 1080 and the maximum resolution in the Windows 10 settings is 1600 x 1200. Available resolution settings of the Windows 10 are not for widescreen displays, as you can see. In order to fix this issue and make VirtualBox full screen, you should install VirtualBox Guest Editions on the Windows 10. In the VM window, go to Devices, insert Guest Editions CD image to insert the ISO disk into the virtual CD drive of the VM. In the Windows system, open this PC. Go to the virtual CD drive, disk D, in this case, and run Box Windows Auditions file to install VirtualBox Guest Editions on the Windows 10. The process of installing Guest Editions is quite straightforward. After finishing the installation, reboot the VM. Once VirtualBox Guest Editions are installed, you can see a different set of resolution settings in the Windows 10. You can enable the full screen mode for your Windows 10 VM by clicking View, Full Screen Mode in the VM window.